Good morning students, this is class 11th maths, solutions of test of chapter 7th. So question first is, if 10C4 is equal to 10CR, find RC3, right? So first of all we will find R. Now we know this, that if NCR is equal to NCS, then R plus S is equal to N, right? So here 4 plus R is equal to 10, then R will be 6. So RC3 will now become 6C3, which is 20, right? Now question number second is, in how many ways 2 vowels and 3 consonants can be selected from the word Tuesday? Now see, Tuesday contains 3 vowels, these, and 4 consonants, which are these. We want to select 2 out of these 3 vowels, which can be done in 3C2 ways, into 3 consonants out of 4, so 4C3. So you will get the answer as 12, right? Now question number third is, how many 4-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 4, 3, 8, 2 if digits can be repeated, right? Now 4 digits are given to you and they have asked 4-digit even number to be formed and digits can be repeated. Now see, for the even number, the unit place, that is the 4th place, has only 2 options, either 4 or 2, right? And because digits can be repeated, the all other left places can be filled with any of the 4 digits, right? So all other places have 4 options. Therefore total number of ways will be 4 options for first place, 4 for second, 4 for third, and 2 options for the 4th place. That is in total 128. Now the next question number 4th is, how many words can be formed from the letters of the word squares? So this word squares contain 7 letters, which can be arranged in 7 factorial, but because S is repeating twice, so we will divide it by 2 factorial. So you will get this as the answer, right? Now question number 5th is, in how many ways 3 cards be selected out of 52 cards so that 2 cards are king and 1 card is queen? Out of 52 we want to select 3. 2 should be king and 1 is queen. Now see, there are 4 king out of 52 cards. So out of the 4 we want to select 2 kings, which can be done in 4C2 ways. Into also queens are also 4. Out of 4 we want to select 1, which can be done in 4C1 way. So you will get the answer as 24. Now question number 6 is, in how many ways 4 courses can be selected out of 9 courses if 1 course is compulsory to choose? Now see, out of 9 we have to select 4 and 1 course is compulsory. So this 9 can be written as 1 plus 8, where this 1 course is compulsory. Then out of 4 we will select this 1 course which is compulsory and 3 from the rest 8, which can be done in 1C1 into, out of 8, 3, 8C3. So the answer will be 56. In 56 ways this can be done. Now question number 7th is, that in how many ways the word article can be arranged so that at first place A will come and at the 6th place I will come. Now see, for the first and 6th place there is only one option, because we have fixed A at the first place and I at the 6th place, right? Now the left places are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, right? And left letters are also 5, which can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, that is 120. So number of such words which can be formed are 1 option for the first place, 5 factorial options for the left 5 places, and 1 option for the 6th place. That is in total 120 ways, right? Now question number 8 is, find the number of different words that can be formed from the letters of the word triangle so that not all vowels are together. So first of all we will find the number of words so that vowels come together and then subtract this number from the total arrangements of the word triangle, right? Then you will get the number of words where vowels do not come together, right? So see, total arrangements will be triangle word consists of 8 letters and all the 8 letters are different. Therefore, total arrangements will be 8 factorial. Now the arrangements so that all the vowels come together. So treat the vowels as one letter and these are the rest letters, right? So these are in total 6 letters which can be arranged in 6 factorial ways into the letter which we treated as 1 actually consists of 3 letters which can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So these are the total ways so that vowels come together, right? So the ways or the words which can be formed so that all vowels do not come together are total arrangement minus the arrangements where vowels come together. So the answer will be this, right? Now question number 9 is that a question paper is consist of 15 questions where part 1 contains 7 questions and part 2 contains 8 questions, right? Now a student has to choose 9 questions in total such that he has to select at least 3 questions from each part. That is, he has to select minimum 3 questions from each part. So see, case first can be if he choose 3 questions from the first part, then the rest will be 6 questions which he will select from the second part. Case second can be if he selects 4 questions from part 1, then he will select the rest 5 questions from the second part, right? Similarly, you will get if he will select 5 from part 1, then 4 from part 2, and if he selects 6 from part 1, then 3 from part 2, right? There will be only these 4 cases. Now for the first case, out of 7 he is selecting 3 which can be done in 7C 3 ways into out of 8 6 that can be done in 8C 6 ways, right? Now out of 7 4 that is 7C 4 into out of 8 5 that is 8C 5. Similarly you will get for these. So these are the results of the different cases. So total ways will be add the results of the different cases, then you will get the answer as this, right? Now question number 10 says if the different permutations of all the letters of the word Ranchi are listed as in a dictionary, what will be the 121st word? Now we have to find out the 121st word. So see, if the arrangements of the word Ranchi will be listed in the dictionary, then the words, first of all, those words will come which starts with the letter A, right? So we will fix at the first place A. Now these rest 5 places can be filled by the rest 5 letters except A, right? Which can be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Why? Because I is repeating twice. So you will get 60 words starting with the letter A. Now after A, because B does not exist in this word, so in the dictionary the words will come which starts with C. So now fix the first letter, the first place with the letter C. Now again except C, these rest 5 letters can be arranged in these rest 5 places in 5 factorial divided by I is repeating twice 2 factorial, that is 60. Now 60 words are there which starts with A, then 60 words are there which starts with C. So in total 120 words are already listed. Now 121st word will be start from H, right? Because after A and C, from these H, I and R, H will come alphabetically. So alphabetically arrange the word H, then A, then C, then these I and then R, right? So this will be the 121st word. Now question number 11th is how many 4-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 0, 4, 5. These are the given digits and we have to make 4-digit number, right? And also it is given that digits cannot be repeated. Now for the first place, 0 cannot come. Except 0, any other digit can come here. So except 0, the rest are 4 digits. So the first place has 4 options, right? Now see for the second place. In total we have 5 digits. 1 digit has been used at the first place, right? Now out of 5, 1 digit has been used here, and because digits can't be repeated, so second place also has 4 options. Then for the third place, 3 options. At the fourth place, 2 options. So the total 4-digit number which can be formed are 4 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is 96. Now they have asked how many of these are divisible by 10. So if the digits are divisible by 10, then at the unit place it should be 0, right? So for the fourth place we have only one option, 0, right? Now first place also has the 4 options. Because digits can't repeat, so 0 will not come. Except 0, any digit can come. So for the first place also we have 4 option. Then for the second place 3 option, and for the third place 2 options, right? So the total 4-digit numbers which can be divisible by 10 are 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24, right? So these are the solutions of the test of chapter 7th. From tomorrow we will start the next chapter. Okay.